Russell Falls walk is an easy 20-25 minutes. If you're ever here at night, it is fantastic because they have glowworms in the forest. I think it's the only place in the world. Someone can correct me.
Yeah, you're completely
Tooth fairy.
wrong.
There we go.
You're completely wrong.
I am shot down.
Do your homework
Hey.
first.
Be nice. So this is one of the few places that you can see glowworms outside of caves, but these specific ones are unique to Tasmania. I was half right. Yeah. Russell Falls in all its glory. Not a lot of water even though it's late May. Horseshoes Falls above Russell Falls, just an extra 15 minutes up the track.